All right, today I'm going to talk about the EZ water, crystalline water, the fourth phase of water as it's known. While there are scientists that still dispute it, my question to them is, can you tell me how two gases, hydrogen and oxygen, both flammable by their own right, can come together and put out fire? Or all of the other anomalies of water to science. It seems to me when the chemical world meets the spiritual world, things change. And we can't always count on the same physics that worked before to work at the spiritual realm. And EZ water, crystalline water, really answers a lot of questions. It answers a lot of the anomalies to water. But the biggest thing that comes up, and I've been reading Dr. Pollack's new book called Charged, is that what happens with water in the fourth phase is water, when it touches a hydrophilic surface, it changes. It actually changes its viscosity. It expels all impurities and positive protons. In his book, he says that that's the reason the Earth itself has a negative charge, because it's expelling positive protons out into the atmosphere. And later I'll go into explain how clouds actually float with this same phenomena. There are a lot of things we don't understand, but when we start to put the fourth phase of water into the principle of understanding, things become a lot clearer, especially the idea of how does water climb inside of mountains to come out of the mountain thousands of feet up in the air, where the sheer weight of water pushing up is huge. It requires that positive and negative force, that electric motor that is the essence of all life. It's that same electric motor that allows the heart to push 60,000 miles of tubing. It couldn't do it with just a little heart and a little bit it goes. It does it because of this electric motor. The electricity of the cells. We thought the cells produced the electricity for a long time. Now we know that that cellular electricity comes from the fourth phase of water. So I invite you to look at my website, wisdomaccelerators.com. You can learn more. Buy my book. It really goes into this fourth phase of water and a whole lot of other things. It's really designed as a book to stimulate the mind, to let us think about things like masculine and feminine governance, about gratitude, detachment, the golden rule, brotherhood, so many, and most importantly, the 7 adjutant mind spirits and how they function in the creation of mind. So until later, God bless. Bye.